There come again common problems on the industry, but not industry have the commonality. Not all the people in the industry have the commonality to have those problems. Are we clear? Is not sells what you need to teach your people. What you need to teach your people is how to communicate better. The fact that companies are hiring people to teach their employees protocol, how to manage better emails, how to manage better education, and how to talk to people is crazy. I saw something that made me extremely happy, and you see, I can feel myself smiling. I saw an advertisement about a company saying, we don't believe in AI to deal with humans, so call customer service to see what is to talk with a real human. Oh my God, make me so happy. The same company was one of the first one implementing AI. Now is one of the first one implementing not using AI to deal with humans.